everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys. I also really like to emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. Late the sun rises. I remember the sun would be up at like 6 a.m. in the summer. Now it's at 6:40. I don't know about y'all, but I have been feeling the fall itch. I have been craving cooler weather and noticing the gradual shift in my energy. It led me to do a little bit of researching into fall just so that I have a better understanding of what it symbolizes energetically. Autumn is a reminder that everyone's mind, body, and surroundings are always developing. This is the season that focuses on the impermanence of life, emphasizing how vital it is to embrace the present. By doing so, we can savor what we have before it's gone. Hearing all that just really made me come to the conclusion that fall is a great time for reflection, awareness, and mindfulness as well. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you. Only 66 degrees. That's why I'm wearing a jacket, which I mean, honestly, it's not that cold. I really want an iced coffee, so if I bundle up and get warm, then I'll be more willing to have an iced coffee. That is the bribe. This morning I'm bribing myself to get in a walk by walking to the coffee shop, which I mean, fair trade. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Keeping light today with my Burberry blush. Let me tell you something. When it comes to this perfume stuff, the girls that get it, get it. Have you ever walked past somebody and they smell good? I like being that person. I read this in an article online and I thought it was beautiful. As temperatures drop to the tune of leaves falling, autumn illustrates the beauty of letting go. It doesn't have to be considered morbid or morose. Instead, apply this concept to your inner ego and patterns of greed and pride. The idea of letting go stresses the temporary nature of everything around us that you may become hyper aware of during the changing of the seasons.
Pretty nice out. It's not as cold as it was yesterday. Yesterday it was cold, like the heat was on in my car when we went to the gym. It's a beautiful day. Walking to get my coffee.
The main reason I wanted to talk about fall is because seasons really do affect us humans, whether we have more of a subtle change or something more drastic. I, without a single doubt, feel the shifts of the seasons. I'm already having feelings of wanting to retreat, wanting to put out less energy, wanting to fall back and rest more. And it really just helps me to recognize the impermanence of everything, which again for me circles back to gratitude and appreciation for this moment where my body currently is and celebrating all that it can do.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Coffee bribe works every time. This is so good. They put a lot of syrup in there, didn't they? But it's pretty good.
I am done with my walk. I'm at 5,500 steps, which is really good because the past couple days I have not hit my steps, unfortunately. No bueno. But it's 8:30 and I'm already at 5,500, so that gives me all day to hit my 7,000 step goal. So if you do have a step goal, I definitely recommend you front load your day with getting your steps, because then throughout the day it'll accumulate and hopefully you can hit your goal. So now that I have so many now, I can probably just go about my regular day to get the 1,500 versus waiting to the evening to have to go on a long walk when it's probably going to be hotter. So it was nice. The coffee, very sweet today, but it's good. She's like another gay black YouTuber that this also makes me extremely thankful for all of you guys for following along, for supporting my journey this far, for those of you who have been following me every step of the way. It's really difficult to put into words how much your support means to me. It's kind of crazy to have a dream about something, work towards it, and have over 1,700 of you subscribe and believe in that. Every like, every comment, it means the world to me. As I reflect on the impermanence of life, I know without a single doubt I will be able to look back on this moment and look back on this time of my life with the biggest smile on my face, and I'm incredibly grateful to have you be here with me on this journey. I'm about to read some of these types of books. I really like to have the audiobook available while I read along. So I have it for free from my library, so I'm going to do that for a bit. But otherwise, I have just had the most chill, lazy day, which relates to the themes of fall, just definitely taking a rest. So
fall can also be about doing less and reaping the rewards of harvest. I also see it as a time to begin going inward. The colder seasons, for me, always provide the perfect opportunity to go deeper into myself, ensuring that I am cultivating a safe and comfortable place to exist inside my head.
That was a good chapter. It was the first chapter I just finished up, but now I think I'm gonna make some quick lunch. Even though it's 90 degrees, I've definitely been craving like nourishing warm foods. I'm a soup girly, so I think I'm gonna try the dumpling recipe I did the other day, but I'm gonna add in like some spinach or something. But so to make it a little bit more filling, I'm gonna add in some of these as well, which are chicken and vegetable dumplings. Just a handful to make it more filling, because before it wasn't very filling. So I'm just gonna add in a few of these in addition to the soup dumplings.
Everything starts with the mind, which pushes me to appreciate the opportunity to meet deeper parts of myself and, like fall, let go of the old versions of me. Short video this week because honestly, uploading twice a week has been kicking my butt.
I do tend to add just a bit of salt though. Here's just some of this. I kind of wish I could have this, like, maybe I'll just have like a little ramekin of this on the side, because I love dipping my dumplings in this crunchy chili oil from also from Trader Joe's. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm working with, and I have the chili oil sauce on this side. The only thing that would make this meal better is some chopsticks, but I cannot wait.
Every day is a gift, and I'm so grateful that you decided to spend part of that gift here with me today. I ended this evening with a lovely bath, and it was very nice and much needed. I also love how full circle my days are. Starting and ending the days with gratitude is a game changer. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so appreciative of. And of course, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye.